Hey guys, it's Shelly. I wanted to hop on here and show you the back seat that we had to get for our golf cart because the one that we had before had tears and rips all in it from the dog, and the one we had before would not open up like this one. So we wanted to get one that the dog could sit on without tearing holes all in the seat. It's a big German Shepherd and she has long toenails, so she would hop in the seat and she would make holes all in it. That's why we keep the front one covered with this thick blanket. But this one has been great. We put it in with no problem. And we can open it like we do for the dog, or we can keep it closed for passengers to sit on. We love how it came with this bar right here, which makes it even more safe for the kids to ride on. But it's super easy to use and one-handed operation to open, to load the dog up, or to carry, like my mom uses it sometimes to put flowers and things on if she needs to move things from, from one thing of the yard to the next or whatever. It's been a great addition. We would highly recommend it, especially if you need to carry big objects or a dog with long toenails like we do. So if you're considering it, I would definitely go for it. This is the E-Z-GO golf cart and it works like a charm. So thumbs up if you find this video helpful, and I hope you have a great day.